Why do I recommend Nasivent to my patients? The reason is simple. Scientific research indicates that 84% of all snoring is the result of too small a nose entrance. In the course of the years, the nose muscles, especially those of the nostrils, weaken and the nose passage becomes narrow and we start to lack air when we sleep on our side. Therefore, we turn on our back to breathe through our mouth, but in that position our tongue descends and blocks the air passage completely. Then the tissues in the back of our throat start to vibrate and cause sound, called snoring. This complete process starts by having too small a nose entrance, and it is Nasivent which tackles exactly that problem. It keeps the nose open. It is the most simple and effective solution against snoring. The material is very flexible and soft and adapts easily to the shape of each individual nose. It causes no irritation and is practically invisible. To conclude, before trying other products, my advice is to use Nasivent. It stops snoring and apnea in almost all cases.